A scout is thrifty. I was thrifty by finding coupons and only selecting items that were on sale. I also didn't just buy things that I wanted. I only bought what I needed for my recipe. I'm being helpful. A scout is helpful. I was helpful by carrying stuff to the car and helping to put it away. A scout is obedient. I was obedient by following the directions and keeping the kitchen clean. 1 teaspoon olive oil, seasoned with salt and pepper. What?
And press start.
A scout is clean. I washed my hands before doing anything else.
I've been clean.
A scout is cheerful. I was cheerful by finding fun in the world.
I'm being cheerful.
The meal I made was pork and chard with a side of grapes. I chose this meal because I love pork and grapes. I have never tried chard before. I hate chard actually, but pork and grapes are great. I read the directions and Mom helped me with stuff. Cook for 25 minutes. A scout is kind. While I was cooking, I set the table. This was kind because I didn't make my mom and dad do it. Scout is trustworthy. My mom trusted me to use a knife on the stove because she trusted me to be careful. After my pork was cooked, I took it out of the oven. It smelled nice. A scout is courteous. I was courteous because I served my meal to everybody.
I'm being helpful. I'm also being kind, so I'm being kind and helpful.
Great.
Thank you for our food and our family. Amen.
Amen.
Scout is brave. I was brave because I tried new food. I didn't like it.
I'm being brave.
Overall, I would give my meal an 8 out of 10 because of the chard. It was nasty.